Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Fatih here. Well, we are in Galata right now. There is an update about Galata. 21st of September 2020. If you come to visit Galata Tower, there is a restoration going on in Galata Tower. So you cannot visit, you cannot go up top of the Galata. Ministry of Culture and Tourism is making a restoration right now. It's going on. I don't know when is it gonna finish. I have no idea about its finish date. But these days, if you come to Istanbul, you can't go up to Galata. You can just come here, have some photos outside of Galata. This was an update about Istanbul. If you want to know more about Istanbul and Turkey, you can come and subscribe my channel and comment below and like my videos. Yes, Galata is closed, Galata Tower is closed, but it doesn't mean that you will not come here and visit the area. You can come to Galata area, you can visit awesome cafes, and you can have some really nice Instagram shots here. You can have some food. If you want to know more about Galata, you can see my Galata in details video. I will leave it up here so you can watch it over there and you can have more information about Galata. Come and visit Galata. Come and visit Turkey. Bye bye.